Welcome, today I'm showing how to unblock phone number into INFINIX Hot 12i. First of all, open your phone application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got settings, tap it. And here choose block numbers option. Now go into Blacklist. And here we got two block numbers, for example, so for unlocking this one last, need to click here on the right side and confirm operation, tapping remove one more time. And we got success message, so let's try again. This number and click here on the right side and confirm operation, tapping remove. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.